What is up, guys? So today we're going to do a little bit of a deep dive into the ICT concepts and macros. So here we have the 9:30 opening price, right? So this is your CME open. It's when the futures market opens at 9:30 a.m. This is your true futures open. And as ICT himself states, the first 10 minutes and before and the 10 minutes after an hour, each hour, so 10 a.m. to 11 here. So the first 10 minutes and the after 10 minutes after the hour, we have 9:50 to 10:10 macro here. So if we notice price here previously to 9:30, we're kind of in a consolidation area, right? So we're kind of trending lower here. Well, as 9:30 opens, we get volatility to both sides of the market, right? But you notice price starts to climb here, right? We have these bearish PD rays being disrespected here. We start trading higher. Then we create a small fair value gap in here. You can see right around 950, right at 950, we respect it, and then we spool higher, taking out these highs here into the hour, right? So we climb higher, take buy side. So we had buy side here. And then we have sell side under here. Right. Well, if we look at the other macro at the other end of the hour, closer to the 11, we have 1050 to 1110. Well, right around 1050, right, we make one more run higher into these highs here, which we respect this bearish fair value gap in here, right? We begin to trade away aggressively into the sell side liquidity there. Here again, you can see we have 9:30 opening price, right? Price goes higher, then lower. We have consolidation to the left here. And then after we take the buy side and the sell side, we start to disrespect these bearish PD rays and we trade higher right around 950 here. So you have that 950 to 1010 macro, right? Start to trade higher. We create this bullish fair value gap in here. Price respects it, and then right around 1010, this candle, we trade higher, taking this buy side liquidity here, and then continue higher into the end of the hour. Where do we start to get a pullback? Just about 1050. Right, so you have the 1050 to 1110 macro. In here, right? Okay, here we have another example. We have 9:30 opening, right? Lots of consolidation to the left here. Price drops lower, taking the sell side, induces more buying here. Fails to get above this high. And then we aggressively drive lower, right, into the 10 o'clock. So we have our 950 to 1010 macro. Right around 1010, we trade into this bearish PD right here, make one more drive lower, right? We're using the midnight opening price as support here. And then right after this 10-10 macro, price starts to engineer liquidity right in here, filling out orders. We disrespect this bearish PD right here with this bullish fair value gap right in here. Right. Price digs a little bit into this one here, but this candle is the one that changed the market structure here higher. So we overlap a little bit, right? Order block in here. Right. So we can allow for this order block, these two down close candles. We can allow for 50%, which is halfway right there. Right. So price taps into 50% of the order block. We respect this fair value gap. 1030 reversal. Tap the top of it one more time, and then ultimately drive higher. So I don't necessarily have to get the whole run here. From here to here, I mean, it's a good almost 100 handles there, 91 handles, right? So if you would have held into the lunch hour, we ultimately take those highs there to buy side liquidity. Okay, here you have Tuesday is a classic expansion day. These are the kind of things and days we go over in detail in the Discord, the link below. So you can see pre 9:30 opening price here at 9:30. Previously, we have price just trending lower, 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 right? So not much consolidation. 9:30 opens, we aggressively move away. 10 a.m. inside of that 950 to 1010. We have a pullback, and then we have this continuation lower. So this candle closes disrespecting this bullish PD ray, telling us it's going to be a classic expansion continuation. Right at 1010, we have this bearish fair value gap. Price trades back up into it, 1010, and then we move away towards sell side into the 11 o'clock hour. So again, from here to 11 o'clock, give or take 100 handles, 80 if you would held to 11 or so. All right. Okay, here we have a PM session example. So for the PM macro, we have 130 acting as the 930 would in the AM session. So I have 130 PM session, we drive higher. Okay, we tap into a point of interest, which is this 15-minute fair value gap. Okay, right around 150 to 210. Well, just as 210 ends, we have one more stab into this fair value gap. But if we notice the midpoint of this fair value gap here, gets respected by the candles. Okay, we start to trade away, bearish fair value gap in here. Move away, tap one more time into this bearish fair value gap just beneath it. Right. We'll also have an inversion fair value gap here. And then just about 250 to 310. We start to roll over aggressively towards this buy side or sell side liquidity. And we also have the sell side liquidity over here, which was a previous week's liquidity. The morning liquidity just resting low here, but you can be out here at just about 310, right, which is the end of this afternoon macro here. We accumulate here and then run the sell liquidity one more time. So if you want to trade these kind of moves with us, then go ahead and click the link below. There is a sale going on right now. It's going to be a one-time payment for lifetime access. The price is going to increase, so I would get in now. I'm going to run the promo until probably the beginning of April. So right around April 1st, April 2nd, it will be increasing and going to a monthly. So go ahead and get in now, one-time payment. Or if you want the master course, you can get lifetime access to the Discord plus the course. Or get into the boot camp, right, which will give you lifetime access of the Discord. And we usually we'll do every Mondays. It's kind of like getting a one-on-one with me every Monday morning. And we're going into a whole series, and we dive deep into the course content together, answer questions and stuff like that. So it's really like getting a one-on-one with me every Monday morning. We do these monthly, so this will give you the rest of March. And if you come in the middle of March, near the end of March, I'll just roll you over to February. So get in now. I'm sorry, April. Wow. We'll get you into April as well. So get in the boot camp. Gives you the best of the Discord. But if you want just like the live trading, we talk about the strategies and break down everything Tuesdays through Thursdays here. Then go ahead and get in here in the Discord one time. And then if you're, this is a whole different thing if you're interested in this, but go ahead and get the lifetime limited time access. So again, I'm only going to run it probably till the beginning of April. So go ahead and get in there now. And we have tons, a lot of our members, we get funded in here. Everyone's getting funded, moving up to live. Payouts, tons of testimonials in here. I do giveaways, weekly outlooks, daily review, intraday markups. Even when I'm not live, you get the intraday where we're calling price, right? So this was here talking about PM session could wait for the lunch hour high to be swept. Here, boom, happens there, right? Take the lunch hour back down, right? So, and we took this live. This will play. Right. So a lot of these are trades we'll take live. So come in, trade with us, learn, really get dialed in on your trading. And yeah, we would love to have you in here. Come join us, right? We just had someone join the other day. So appreciate you guys. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe below. And if you have any questions, you can also reach me at FX Andrew Capital on Instagram or TikTok. And until next time, guys, be safe.